Okay, we're going to start with a chemical spreadsheet with SmileString. So I have a CSV file that I've prepared. We're going to choose the option read first row as column names and go OK. So that gives us this table with ID number and SmileString. And we're going to superimpose these SmileStrings onto a 3D template using a conserved substructure. So all of these chemicals have a piperazine ring in them. So first we need to convert this from smiles to chemical, so the 2D representation of the chemical. So you right click on smiles, column, choose convert one column to chemical. And then we need a 3D template to superimpose onto. We could read that from a PDB file, or we could choose a separate chemical, but in this case I'm just going to convert this one chemical to 3D. So right click and choose chemistry. So in the right click and choose chemistry, and then choose convert to 3D and optimize. You can also assign charges. Okay, so there we have the chemical in 3D. But we just want to superimpose all these structures on the piperazine. So I'm just going to clone this. Okay, give it a name template. And then I'm going to edit the template. So right click, choose edit compound. Just going to delete the atoms don't want to be included in the template. Could be anything. Then you just close this and it will submit the changes to 3D. So here we have the template. Then we go to chemistry, superposition, and then we can do either rigid substructure, which is what we're going to do because all these chemicals have the piperazine ring. You could also superimpose by atomic property fields or superimpose to a template using shape. We'll use rigid substructure. The chemical table is called piperazine. The template molecule is the one called template. And then we go OK. And then we should see it reading the table and then superposition. Once it's done, you'll get a message in the terminal, which I'm not displaying, but it's finished. And then to see them superimposed, we right click on the column mole and choose the option set 3D browse mode. And then you can just toggle using clicking here the superimposed structures. You see as you click here, the 3D object comes into the ICM workspace here. You can also right click and choose all, and that will display all of them.